In this tutorial, we are going to explore some of the techniques to search within arrays in Node.js JavaScript. Arrays are an essential part of programming, and learning how to search within them is a critical skill. Let's dive in. This is a simple array called fruits, which contains 5 different fruit names. Now, let's say we want to find out if banana is present in our array. We use the includes method, which returns a boolean indicating whether a specific value is present in the array or not. In this case, since banana is in our array, it returned true. Now, let's talk about array indexing. In JavaScript, indexing starts at 0, which means the first element in an array is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. We used square brackets to access the element at index 0, which is the first element in the array. So, it printed apple. Another method that's helpful to search within arrays is index of. It returns the first index at which a given element can be found in the array, or -1 if it is not present. Cherry is the third element in our array, so its index is 2, as indexing starts at 0. So, index of return 2. And that's it. You now know how to check if a value is present in an array and how array indexing works in JavaScript. You can use these techniques to search within arrays and access specific elements. Remember, practice is key in programming. So, go ahead and try out what you've learned in this tutorial. Happy coding!